I was so wonderfully made, I'm fully persuaded. Taylor got me sweated up. I wore the Kanye color wingtips with the lid that was tapered up. Yeah, why would you say to us? Put your mouth on the prophet, that dangerous. Most favored be the most hated. How you treat him bad, get the most weighted. Told my demons I'm a cold case. I command them like the mosaic. Everybody watching, you the lowest rated. This some cloud talk, that's some cold cadence. Walking showers with the mosaic. Living water, God been the greatest. Word plus the D, had to coordinate it. I can move a sound and still demonstrate it. Champagne, I had it poppin'. I can't put on white when I'm out with lil' mama. Got makeup all over my collar. She painted me red with them kisses. Missing me once I get back on road. Out of town, swerving on that mission. Grabbed a couple shows, ran a check up that head by the couple O's. No commas yet, but I'm coming though. I promise that, on my mama though. God gave me the gift and I gave it back. Get your will over mine, that's a major fad. Gave it back to me 100-fold, like some capital gains. Perfect timing, I pat me the reins. Got plugged with a Judah to pat me some chains. On my way, that friend Hammond was playing. So good to me, oh Lord. You know that you're good. Put them on, had to tell the hood, yeah. So good to me, oh Lord. You know that you're good. Got me up, appreciate the love, yeah. So good to me, oh Lord. You know that you're good. Put them on, had to tell the hood, yeah. Stone Molly. So good to me, oh Lord. You know that you're good. Got me up, appreciate the love. Hard times, I was good. He was putting money on my bugs. Drinking water from the well. Had a soul sickness, but I'm well. Don't come to me gossiping out to take negative energy, please. I don't got the bandwidth. I only know about who I stand with, and I ain't really giving answers. Protecting my peace at all costs. I got an aura like some rare cloth. Rose petals leading out the car. Dayz fruit near the mini bar. A fatty calf with asparagus. God put his cloak on it there really. Never thought I was easy to love, but Lord, you make it look effortless. I've been praying about getting it so long, but I already had it. We be so focused on the 10, missing out on 90 and still in the rapper. That's the present, boy, reach out and grab it. These are memories you can look back at. In the wilderness, I wasn't lacking. He supplied on my needs and I gotta say,